So you take your mesh and then you want to create a camera-based projection in the direction that you want the gradient. So for us, it's top to bottom. So now you see when we're squishing it and stretching it, the bottom is actually getting darker. So now when we move it around, we can change the colors. We're going to separate the stem of the UV shell, and we're going to move that somewhere into the brown. And as you see, we can move it a little bit in between and then rotate it. And rotating it will give the tip a little bit of a lighter color. And now I'm going to select some of the specific vertices of the top of the tip and move it even lighter just so you can see that stretching it out makes that effect. So now I'm selecting some of the little spots in the apple and I'm going to cut them from the UV shell. So now that when we move the full apple, it's not moving the little pieces right there. So that'll create it to be lighter relatively because I moved it down. If I moved it up, it would be darker. So now I'm selecting all of them and moving them to a different part in the color. And you could see it's kind of like we're changing the color of the apple just that easily. And if you scale it down, you're basically creating less of an effect on the gradient. But if you scale it up, it's like it's touching more colors. So now I'm going to be selecting the top edge and moving it up just to show you that we can move very specific parts. You can move edges and faces and basically color that area. Yeah, and that's it.